Hello everybody. This is the beautiful and gorgeous Lake Seneca, my favorite place ever in the whole wide world. It's so beautiful today and I just went for a run, testing out the flip cam that Honda sent to me and just kind of chilling on the dock. Doesn't get much better than this. Love this place, love this place, love this place. And full circle, neighbors, fishing boat, boathouse, cottage way up there. And dock to hang out on, boat to do fun stuff, and scene of perfection. Okay, that's a fun first test. Can't wait for more adventures. There's going to be lots and lots of video, so stay tuned.